Ash pulls the fire alarm / grounded.
I'm going to pull the fire alarm.
Attention please, that fire alarm you all heard was a false fire alarm. There was no fire drill planned, and there was no fire. Someone pulled the fire alarm. It is now safe to go inside the building. Thank you.
Ash, someone pulled the fire alarm and scared everyone in the school. Do you know who it was?
Yes, I do. I'm the one who pulled fire alarm.
Ash, I can't believe you would do something like that. You made the police and firefighters come, and there is no fire. I will be calling your parents so we can discuss consequences.
Ash, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm when there was no fire.
Thank you for coming, Mrs. Ketchum. I'm sure you already know what Ash did. Let's discuss consequences. It is going to be suspended for 2 days. When he gets back from his suspension, he will have detention to write an apology letter to us and the fire department. I need you to sign the paper, agreeing that Ash is not allowed on school grounds for 2 days.
There. Done.
All right. You may leave now.
All right, Ash. Let's go home right now. Andrew will be punished. Ash, stop crying right now.
But my only pulling the fire alarm because we had finals in class. And he didn't want to do that. That's why I pulled the fire alarm.
No. The reason why you had finals in class is because your last day of school is in 6 days, so you need to be tested so that they know how you did in your classes. When we get home, you will be punished big time. Ash, for pulling the fire alarm, you are grounded for 5 years. Go to your room right now.